For a positive integer n, let Pn denote the space of all polynomials Px with coefficients in R such that degree of Px is less than equal to n, and let beta n denote the standard basis of Pn given by beta n is 1x x square and so on up to x raised to the power n. If a linear transformation T defined from P3 to P4 such that T of Px means T send image by this structure and A equal to Aij is the 5 by 4 matrices of T with respect to standard basis beta 3 and beta 4, then A32, this is the entry in third row and second column. This is entry in third row, third column, means what is the exact exact entry of third column, sorry, third row, second column, and third row, third column. So first important point is, because we have to find entries of the matrix representation of T. Suppose this is a matrix representation and this is 5 by 4. As T is defined from P3 to P4, so, and we know that dimension of Pn is 1 exceed by n, means n plus 1 or n exceed by 1. So dimension of this is 4 and dimension of this one is 5. Dimension of codomain is 5. So 5 rows and 4 columns will be the matrix representation of T beta 3 to beta 4. If beta 3 is the standard order basis for the domain and beta 4 is the standard order basis of codomain. So beta 3 will be 1x x square and x cube. This is standard ordered basis for P3, and beta 4 will be 1x x square x cube and x raised to the power 4. This is standard ordered basis of P4, means this entry 1 will generate constant entry. This will help you to generate linear entry or linear terms. This will generate quadratic, this is cubic, and tetra term by this term x raised to the power 4. So the concept to write standard ordered basis, standard matrix, matrix representation for standard ordered basis is write image of write image of basis element of domain, or of, or write, you can write for domain, image of basis element for domain in linear combination of basis for codomain, because image will go in codomain. So write image in linear combination of codomain basis or with the help of codomain basis. So first is our first domain entry is 1, and how T is sending image by Tpx is equal to x square p dex x and pt dt image. So write T send image x square px plus 0 to x pt dt. This is the structure as piece and image, and this is p dash x. Suppose first px is 1, so its derivative is 0, so this will go to 0, and its integration will be t, and after putting the limits it will be x minus 0. So final we obtain x and write this x with the help of basis element for codomain. Codomain basis for codomain is represented by beta of 4, 1x, x square, x cube, x raised to the power 4. So other entry will be 0, or coefficient of basis element in linear combination will be 0, and entry of or coefficient of x will be 1. So first column will be 0, 1, 0, 0 and 0. This is 5 rows. Now consider px is x, then its derivative will be 1. So x square into 1 plus this is integration of this one is x square by 2, or write in terms of t square by 2, and put limit 0 to x. So value we obtained is x square by 2. Now you can write 2 1 is 2, so 3 by 2 x square means write this image with the help of codomain basis means 0 into 1 plus 0 into x plus 3 by 2 x square plus 0 into x cube plus 0 into x raised to the power 4. So second column is 0 0, 3 by 2 0 0, and we have to find a32. A32, this is entry we already obtained 3 by 2. Now you can check which one option is giving 3 by 2. So in all three first options 3 by 2 is perfect. Now what is the entry? A33. Now if anyhow we obtain the entry A33, means our motive is find this entry. So write px as x square. So as t send, its derivative will be 2x. After putting or applying t over this one, t will send this point like as x square into derivative of this is 2x plus integration from 0 to x, and 2x, or write 2t dt. So 2x square plus 0 to x 2, or you can write 2x square by 2 and 0 to x. This is, now if you are write, or you can write in terms of t, so 2x square plus 2x, or 2 cancel out by 2, so there is no need to write this 2 again. So x square is this one, means 3x square. Is I am right? Okay, it seems I am right. Not I am right. I am not right because I have put it p dash x, but we have to write here px. So this integration will be 0 to x, and px was x square, or in terms of t square dt. So now evaluate this one. This will be t cube by 3. t cube by 3 and put the limit 0 to x. So this one will be 2x square plus x cube by 3. So coefficient of this is, I think, because I am obtaining 2x cube, so by this we are obtaining 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 is in none option. So I did mistake somewhere. As I consider px as x square, its derivative will be 2x, x square into 2x. So this one will be 2x cube. I did mistake here, 2x cube. Now this is 3 2 is 6. So 7 upon 3 x cube. 7 upon 3 x cube means if you are going to write in linear combination of 1x, x square, x cube, and with the help of x raised to the power 4. So coefficient of this one is 7 by 3, but we are seeking A33. It means which one entry will come at A33 means x square entry. So x square entry will be 0 in this one, or 0 0 0. This is for constant, this is for x, and this is for x square. This entry is, I change the color. So this entry is A33, and here 7 by 3 will come, and after that 0. So this is particularly third column, and A33 is 0. So now match option, which one option is giving right information, as A32 is 3 by 2 and A33 is 0. So option B is correct.